Hey, gadget lovers. Many people struggle with a mediocre beard trimmer that pulls, tugs, and fails to hold a charge without even realizing how much it's holding back their grooming routine. Upgrading your trimmer doesn't just upgrade your beard, it upgrades your entire morning ritual in ways you didn't know were possible. This is because the best beard trimmers on the market today are precision engineered tools designed for comfort, power, and versatility. We've done the research and have the top 5 options ready and waiting. But first of all, make sure to use our links in the description below because they're going to take you directly to the latest discounts on Amazon for every product we talk about today. Using our links helps support our channel at no extra cost to you, allowing us to bring you these honest reviews. Now let's get into the list. Number 5. The SHPAVVER 12-in-1 Professional Barber Hair Clipper. Kicking off our list in the value domain is the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer, a true all-in-one grooming kit that has earned a #1 bestseller badge for a reason. This cordless trimmer features high-quality stainless steel precision blades that are designed to stay sharp, providing a clean, sharp cut every time without the dreaded pulling or snagging. Its powerful motor offers what SHPAVVER calls a turbo speed, delivering excellent haircutting performance that powers through thick hair without any lag. The kit is impressively versatile, coming with 6 trimmer heads designed for everything from shaping your beard and mustache to tackling nose hair and even more sensitive areas. It includes 4 guide combs and an adjustable sideburn comb, essentially unlocking multiple professional styling scenarios right in your bathroom. For the busy man, a single 90-minute charge via USB-C provides up to 90 minutes of runtime, and a clear LED display shows you the remaining power so you're never caught off guard. Plus, with an IPX6 waterproof rating, you can use it in the shower with shaving gel for a smoother experience and simply rinse the whole thing under running water for easy cleaning. For a professional-grade kit at an accessible price, the SHPAVVER is a fantastic place to start. Number 4. The Norelco Philips All-in-One 3000 Series MG3919/50. Coming in at number 4 is a household name in grooming, and for good reason. The Norelco Philips All-in-One 3000 series is an overall pick on Amazon for its incredible balance of performance and skin-friendly design. What truly sets this model apart are its skin-friendly comfort blades. These unique blades have rounded tips that are gentle on your skin as you trim, providing a quick and remarkably comfortable experience, especially for those with sensitive skin. This is a 13-in-1 trimmer kit, giving you a wide array of pieces to trim your beard, head, and even nose and ear hair. It features 9 length settings, from a very short 0.5 millimeter all the way up to 16 millimeters, allowing for a wide range of styles from clean stubble to a long maintained beard. The self-sharpening, maintenance-free blades are a huge plus, as they stay as sharp as day one and require no oiling. The ergonomic handle makes it easy to hold and maneuver, giving you the control you need to perfect your look. While its battery delivers a solid 60 minutes of runtime, it's important to note it charges with a USB-A cable and no wall adapter is included. For a reliable, comfortable, and no-fuss trimmer from a trusted brand, the Norelco 3000 series is a dependable and highly popular choice. Number 3. The Welclux Electric Foil Shaver for Men. Stepping into the top 3, we shift gears to a specialized tool for a super close shave. The Welclux Electric Foil Shaver is our pick for anyone looking to maintain a clean-shaven look or precisely define their beard lines. This isn't a trimmer for long beards, but rather a master of stubble and smooth skin. It features an advanced system with 4 floating blades that effortlessly adapt to the contours of your face, preventing irritation and hair pulling. A standout feature is its dual-speed modes, allowing you to tailor your shave, use the low setting for daily maintenance or longer beards, and kick it into high gear for shorter, thicker stubble. It boasts a larger, upgraded HD LED display that shows your power level and even the shaver's RPM in real time. With modern USB-C fast charging, a 90-minute charge provides a massive 120 minutes of cordless freedom, and a quick 5-minute boost can even power a full shave in a pinch. Like our previous pick, it's fully IPX7 waterproof, meaning you can confidently use it in the shower for an even smoother shave and rinse it clean with ease. Combining a compact, travel-friendly design with a travel lock to prevent accidental activation, the Welclux foil shaver delivers a premium, high-performance experience that feels both luxurious and incredibly effective. Number 2, the Mbzoey electric foil shaver for men. Securing the number 2 spot is another exceptional foil shaver, the Mbzoey, which focuses on professional barber-level performance in a mini portable design. This shaver rocks precision titanium blades with what Mbzoey calls built-in smart sensing tech, all designed to say goodbye to beard tugging for good. Its floating head design lets this portable razor glide like butter over all your facial contours, making it a true smooth operator. It features an optimal blade layout that combines a foil shaving head with a dedicated beard trimmer head, allowing it to precisely handle everything from stubble removal to longer beard trimming. You get a clear, upgraded LED battery display for real-time power monitoring, and thanks to its USB-C charging technology, a 90-minute charge delivers 100 minutes of cordless runtime. Its IPX7 certified waterproof rating means it effortlessly handles wet or dry operation, so you can use it with shaving foam in the shower for ultimate comfort and then rinse it clean under the faucet. Practical features like a magnetic dustproof cap to protect the premium blades and a built-in travel lock make this an ideal companion for the frequent traveler. The Mbzoey is a robust professional-grade grooming tool that packs a serious punch in a small, convenient package. Number 1. The Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 5000 mg 5910/49. And now the moment you've been waiting for. Our top pick for the best all-around beard trimmer is the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 5000. This isn't just a trimmer, it's an 18-piece do-it-all grooming kit that has earned the coveted Amazon's Choice badge and is bought by thousands every month for a very simple reason. It does everything, and it does everything well. This is the ultimate electric trimmer for your face, head, and body styling, with dedicated attachments for all your trimming needs. Its titanium-coated steel self-sharpening blades are built to last, remaining as sharp as day one and requiring no oiling, providing a reliable solution for your everyday routine. A massive advantage here is the long-lasting lithium-ion battery, which provides up to 3 hours of runtime on a single charge, far surpassing almost every other model on this list. It features an extra-wide hair trimmer for easy body grooming across large areas, as well as an adjustable 3 to 7 millimeter comb for a personalized look and specific body combs for safe and precise groin grooming. Everything is easy to use, clean, and maintain, as the blades and guards easily detach to be rinsed clean under running water. The set includes a staggering 18 tools, from a steel trimmer and precision trimmer to a nose and ear trimmer, multiple guards, and fading combs. For its unparalleled versatility, incredible battery life, and trusted performance from the Norelco name, the Multigroom Series 5000 is, without a doubt, the king of beard trimmers and our number 1 recommendation.